Yep.
All right.
Made a little different than this one, but
my father-in-law has a mini excavator that we want to use to handle the wood and the logs, but it's broke down. So in today's video, we're going to try to get his Volvo mini excavator fixed up with a new oil cooler. A lot of other YouTubers that I've watched that have used FridayParts.com to buy stuff, and I've looked for some parts from them before, and so I haven't even got to open it up yet to make sure it's a fit. This is the actual radiator though, right?
So this is the radiator, and the cooler is sandwiched between the radiator and the fan in the shroud setup. So I noticed that this was always stained here, and it was much worse than this.
Yeah. So let me grab that new one, and then we'll kind of compare, make sure they look like they're a match.
Looks the same, doesn't it?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Made a little different than this one, but as long as all the fittings line up and size-wise. So let's try.
I think it'll still go, but these pipes aren't fitting through the holes. So hopefully we can get it on there. Just can't, there's just not enough room to like manipulate it enough to get it in there. So we'll take this piece off. Now hopefully it'll fit the radiator, the cooler, and we can get this put back in there. The radiator is all in now, bolted up. Oil cooler is tucked up in behind. The hydraulic lines feeding and returning from the cooler are hooked up and tight. Got the upper radiator hose back in, and now Rick's wanting to try some radiator flush. A little flush in there. He's doing the flush with water first. Gonna run it, let it circulate, and then we'll drain the water out of it and put the green coolant back in it. Oh, there's the pump.
Yeah.
But I think we're ready to fire it up, right? It's almost nerve-wracking.
I don't know if I remember how to run it.
It'll come back quick.
Yeah.
Working?
Going in high.